Hey guys, how are you doing? Welcome to the English grammar from zero to hero. Today I'm going to talk about parts of a speech, like subject, verb, and object. So, the first one is subject. What is subject? Subject is the doer of an action, okay? The doer of an action is called subject. For example, Jack goes to school. Jack goes to school. In this example, Jack is the doer of the action, so Jack is the subject. Another example, she drinks tea. She drinks tea. In this example, you can see she is the doer of drinking the tea, so she is the subject. Let's have an example from a real conversation.
Read Mom, out by that pool. Read Mom, out by that pool.
She says, I read Mom out by that pool. I read. I read. In this example, I is the doer of the action, so I is the subject. Another part of a speech is verb. Verb. So what is verb? Verb is a word that shows an action. For example, Jack goes to school. Jack goes to school. In this example, Jack is the doer of the action, so what is the action? In this example, action is go. Going to school. In this example, go is the verb, Jack is the subject. It is the doer. Another example, the teacher is talking. The teacher is talking. The teacher is the subject, actually it is the doer, and talking is the verb. Talking is the verb. It shows the action of talking. Let's have an example.
I don't know. We don't talk about that.
She said, I don't know. I don't talk about that. I don't know. It is a negative sentence. I don't talk about that. We have two subject and two verbs. I don't know. Know is the verb and don't talk. Talk is the verb. They shows the action of knowing and talking. Another part of a speech is called object. Yeah, object. What is object? Object is the receiver of an action. The receiver of an action is called object. For example, she drinks tea. She drinks tea. She is the doer of the action. Drinks is the verb, or drinking is the verb. It is an action. Tea is the receiver of the action, the receiver of drinking actually. So in this example, tea is the object. It is the receiver of an action. Another example, I give you a book. I give you a book. In this example, I is the doer of the action, so it is the subject. Give is shows the action of giving. It is actually a verb, and a book is the receiver of the action. It is object. Okay? Let's have an example.
Jumped on the car. Why? Jumped on the car. Why?
He jumped on the car. He jumped on the car. In this example, you can see car is the receiver of the action, which is jumping, and he is the doer of the action. He is the subject. So what is object? In this example, car is the object.